everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Friendly. In today's class, we will do question number 3 of exercise 1.2 of first chapter Knowing Our Numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. So let us read this question. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. So what does it mean? We have to first understand what the question says. Then only we can solve the question and get the answer, right? So let us understand what the question says. In an election, so you must have heard about election, that election is going on, election will be held. So the people will go to cast their votes. Your parents must be casting their votes. So you must have heard about elections and votes, right? So in elections, what happens? See the next part of the question. The successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. So in an election, what happens when we have to select our ministers? What happens? Suppose two people one, okay, or person one, and this is person two, right? This is person two. These two people wants to be minister, so they are standing in the election, right? So some people will go and vote this person and some people will go and vote this person. Means some people will select this person as their minister and some people will go and select this person as their ministers. So what they will get? They will get votes. Means the person will go and give people, normal people, the common people will go and give votes to these ministers. So if more people select this minister, so he will win. If more people select him, then he will become the minister. Same as in your class, when two people are selected for monitors, then there is competition between these two people. Some people select this to be the monitor of the class leader, and some people select him as the class leader. So the one who gets more number of people selected this person as the class leader, then he will be the winner and he will not win. So he will become the leader of the class. Same as we select our ministers and they stand in the election, and we people cast votes to these people and they get votes. We cast votes and they get the votes, and one of them will win the election. So this is the question. In an election, the successful candidate, suppose he is the successful candidate, registered 5,77,500 votes. Means this person got how much? 5,77,500 votes. Means these many people gave vote to him. Okay. And his nearest rival secured these many votes. Nearest rival means nearest competitor, because there will be more persons. There will be person 2. Person 3 will also be there. This is person 3 will also be there. Person 4 will also be there in that election. Okay, he also wants to be minister. But he got nearest rival means nearest competitor. These people got so less number of votes. So they will not win because they got so much less. But these people got very close number of votes. So they may win because they got closer number of votes. The difference between their votes is not large, but they got so less, so they will not win. But this person got these many votes, and the second person got how many? 3,48,700 votes. So the nearest rival means the nearest competitor, because these people get very less number of votes, so they will not win. But he is the nearest rival means nearest competitor, because the votes, number of votes is very much, means the difference between these two votes is not so large. So he is the nearest competitor for this person. See the question now. In an election, the successful candidate registered these many votes. So he is the successful candidate, and the successful candidate, these persons are known as the candidates. This is candidate 1 and this is candidate 2. So this person is the successful because he registered, he secured more number of votes. He is the successful candidate, registered these many votes, and his nearest rival nearest competitor secured 3,48,700 votes. So the question is, by what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Means by how much, by what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Means by how much the successful candidate win the election, means how much more votes did this successful candidate get and won the election. So we have to find. So if we take the smaller numbers, suppose the first candidate got 10 votes and the successful candidate got 10 votes and his nearest rival got 7 votes. Okay, so by what margin did the successful candidate win? By what margin did the successful candidate win? So what we will do? 10 minus 7 means 3 votes. By 3 votes, the successful candidate win the election. So what we did? We subtracted 7 from 10 and we got this 3. So by what margin did the successful candidate win? So what we will do? We will subtract this number from this number and we will get the answer. Right? So understood what is the problem? What is the question? What the question is saying? Now we will do the solution. Solution is, the successful candidate secured. The successful candidate secured means he got, the successful candidate secured how many votes? 5,77,500 votes. So he secured these many votes and his nearest rival secured these many votes. Means the nearest competitor secured these many votes and his nearest rival secured how many votes? 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? The successful candidate win the election by how much? We will subtract this from that. By 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700 votes. So we will do the subtraction. By what margin did the successful candidate win? Means how much more vote did the successful candidate get and by what margin he win the election. So we have to subtract that number from this number. So let's do the subtraction here. 577,500. This is 3,4,8,7. 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 7 not possible. So we will take one carry. This becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. This becomes 6. 16 minus 8 is 8. This is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is 2,28,800. So what we got? We subtracted and we got 2,28,800. See, the successful candidate win the election by these many votes. The successful candidate win the election by these many votes. Means the successful candidate got these many more votes than the other candidate and he win the election because he got these many more votes. So what was the question? By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? So by these many votes, the successful candidate win the election because he got these many more votes. This is 2,28,800. So he got these many more votes and he win the election. So understood? In the next class, we will do question number 4 of this exercise 1.2. And if you like the video, then share with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos. Till then, take care. Bye.